Alright, here we go.
Any of you guys play the Xbox edition of Tanks?
No, I haven't.
No.
Okay.
Alright, we're in Illenburg. Who wants to call?
Illenburg.
Well, if I was spending any money, I would say the 85 and the 150 head up to the right to cover that end, and how about the M4s, so let the Hellcat cover the base or head up the middle, one or the other. It makes no difference to me, because you might be able to sneak through there. That would be my way of doing things. And that's what I can say. I've got everybody?
Yep.
I think I got everybody.
Okay. Sorry, Alex.
I actually called 2 in a row. What's this?
I was talking to my Russian friend over here.
Actually, I had a friend at work called Katakov. He was, we called him the Mad Russian. What a great guy. He was crazier than all get out. We had a lot of fun with him. Damn good worker.
Come on, all 4 of us run together and we'll just swamp whoever comes up.
That's what I'd say, yep. We have enough of us here that are...
Yep, let's get Russian dude up here and then we're gonna be alright.
Okay,
We're good, let them catch up to us.
What you want to do?
I'm having a pretty good conversation here with you.
Alright, let's see. I'm gonna peek and see what's around this corner. I don't see anything yet.
The one that's transferred to me, like.
Alright, we gotta stay together, so start going. Come on up here.
Yep. I was just covering you while the hill, while you were coming up.
Yeah, I know.
Okay guys, this just in. I just pissed myself.
Want to be closing and
There's
Should we try to get around that? Should we all try to go?
Oh, we got some deadly company here.
How come I keep hearing women talking in the background?
That's probably because there's a woman there.
Oh, she sounds kind of hot.
I got a dog that would sound hot to you.
You know what? Is it a female dog?
Yeah.
You know what you
Yeah.
Good job, other side. Good job.
Cat, you know what you need?
Oh.
Ouch. What do I need?
That hurt.
You need some
Whoa.
hot.
What the hell is that?
Okay, you guys be advised that this end over here by the castle is wide open.
Dead.
So I would go for their C. But there's a guy going back there for you back there. I see him.
Fuck!
KV-85, I think.
What the fuck happened?
Gold. These guys gotta be using gold.
They are.
Oh, no way. 2 ways about it.
God, I don't know what happened. I can't even see a fucking platoon here, a skirmish here at all. What the fuck? all gone. I'm back at my screen. The fuck? I'm gonna need an invite.
You know what, eh?
Because we're
I'm
in
not
battle.
It would normally come up.
Because we're not in a battle.
It would normally come up anyway, even going on. There's something going on with my fucking thing, I'm telling you. It's still not there.